Hello everyone, today we are talking about this sponsor product. It's been for a while, I am using it and I absolutely love it. So right now I have a project. I am putting this shade on the brick. Right, you can see here I just made a guide hole and I'm gonna show you guys how effective this is. So before doing that, let me show you guys some features. So over here you have this turn knob. Once you turn this, you can use as a like regular drill without the hammer action. But once you do that, so let me show you actually. So here you can see it just turns, but once you turn to the hammer action, you can see it's just, I don't know if you can see, but I don't think you can see, but it's just immediately you feel it's shaking, and it's just, you feel that it's hammering. So let me show you guys how it's gonna work. So over here I place it right there and then press the, as you can see, it just went through, made the hole. So you can see it just went all the way. So it works really nice. You can see it's like within like 15 seconds it was able to go through a brick. This is strong, very tough. I used the other impact drill. Actually, I have other impact drill. I tried that. I didn't want to use this. I wasted two of these. You can see here it's just burned out. I spent like 10 minutes and it didn't even do anything. Beyond this point it didn't really go. So it just uh, with that, and I just made the hole clear. So way better option, very easy, nice to handle, and it works really good. I hope it will work for you guys as well. Thank you for watching.